Let's locate work colleagues and rooms using IBM TRIRIGA's Locate tool. Using the IBM TRIRIGA Workplace Services web app, I can locate a colleague by finding the location of their workstation. Once I have logged into my profile, I see my Workplace Services dashboard. My location will automatically set to the office building associated with my user profile, the Charlotte Watson Center. Select the Locate icon. Make sure that the person icon is selected to locate a colleague's workstation. Under the search bar, type in the colleague's name and select the colleague in the drop-down list. The colleague's workstation will now be highlighted under the Location tab in a floor plan view. Additional contact information for the colleague would be displayed under the search bar, such as the colleague's phone number and email address. From this page, you may also click Key Rooms to view the floor's key rooms. A floor plan will appear, highlighting all key rooms within the selected floor. To identify the key rooms, a legend on the right side highlights which colors represent each specific room. For example, on this floor plan, we see that all spaces highlighted in blue are meeting rooms. Click into a specific key room to see additional space details like the room's capacity, floor, and available amenities. Click Floor Directory to view all colleagues who have assigned seats in the building. To search for a room, click on the room icon. Type in the name of the meeting room to locate its location and select from the drop-down list. The selected meeting room will now be highlighted on the floor plan view. Using IBM TRIRIGA's Locate tool allows you to confidently navigate to all spaces associated to the floor in the workplace.